change assertive sentence into assertive into negative sentence. He went Chennai. Change it to negative. Did you know? How did you change it? Went is split into did plus did. He went to Chennai. Did plus go. He did not go to Chennai. That is negative sentence. This is assertive. This is negative sentence. Positive sentence are positive sentence. Then how many books did you buy? How many books did you buy? Did you buy? What is the meaning of this sentence? In Telugu, ఎన్ని పుస్తకాలు నీవు కొన్నావు? పుస్తకాలు నీవు కొన్నావు. Next, how many movies do you see in a week? Do you see in a week? How many in a week? What is the meaning of Telugu? ఎన్ని సినిమాలు వారానికి చూస్తావు? This is what is the sentence. Habitual action, simple present tense. Then how did you go to home? How did you go to your home? Go to your house or home. ఇంటికి ఎలా వెళ్ళావు? ఇంటికి ఎలా వెళ్ళావు? వర్షంలో వెళ్ళావా? either in rain or without rain. Rain కాకుండా. Next, what did you call your grandfather? What did you call grandfather? How did you call your grandfather? What did you call? Papa or Kadanana? Tata. Papa or Kalu? Tata. Which one do you like? Which name do you like? Which name do you like? Which name do you like? ఏ పేరు నీకు ఇష్టము? ఏ పేరు నీకు ఇష్టము? ఏ పేరు నీకు ఇష్టము? ఏ పేరు నీకు ఇష్టము? ఏ పేరు నీకు ఇష్టం? ఏ పేరు నీకు ఇష్టం?